Let us have example 3. Find the solutions of the equation x squared plus 6x equals 16 by factoring. The given equation is x squared plus 6x equals 16. This is a quadratic equation not written in standard form. So we will transform it. We will subtract 16 to both sides of the equation para ma-equate natin siya sa 0. And then, simplify x squared plus 6x minus 16 equals 0. We then factor x squared plus 6x minus 16. The factors are x minus 2 and x plus 8. Okay, ang factors ng x squared ay x times x. Then, kukunin natin yung factors ng negative 16 na ang sum dapat niya ay 6. Okay, negative 2 and 8 are the two factors. Pag pinag-multiply natin, ang product ay negative 16. Negative 2 times 8 is equal to negative 16. Pag pinag-add natin si negative 2 at 8, it is equal to 6, which is the numerical coefficient of the middle term. After that, we will equate the factor to 0. The first factor is x minus 2, so equate natin sa 0. Then solve for x. We will now add 2 to both sides of the equation. And then we simplify. We now have x equals 2. The other factor is x plus 8. We equate it to 0. We now have x plus 8 equals 0. And then solve for x. We apply the subtraction property of equality. Subtract 8 to both sides of the equation. Simplify. We now have x equals negative 8. X equals 2 and x equals negative 8 are the solutions of the equation. Let us check if the solutions are correct. Let's do the checking. The first factor is 2. Substitute 2 to the original equation, x squared plus 6x equals 16. Okay, our x is 2, so we have 2 squared plus 6 times x is 2, so we have 2 equals 16. And then we simplify. The square of 2 is 4. The product of 6 and 2 is 12 equals 16. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16 equals 16. They are equal, therefore, that is true. The next solution is negative 8. Substitute to the original equation. We now have x is negative 8, so we have negative 8 squared. Plus 6 times x, x is negative 8, equals 16. Simplify. The square of negative 8 is 64. Positive 6 times negative 8 is negative 48, equals 16. 64 minus 48 is 16, equals 16. They are equal, therefore that is true. Both 2 and negative 8 satisfy the equation, therefore the two solutions or roots of the equation x squared plus 6x equals 16 are 2 or negative 8. Let's have example 4. Use factoring method in solving the equation 2y squared plus 7y plus 5 equals 0. The given equation is 2y squared plus 7y plus 5 equals 0. This is now in standard form. So, ang next step na gagawin natin ay ifa-factor natin itong nasa left side ng equation. The factors are 2y plus 5 and y plus 1. Let us check if the factors are correct. 2y squared, the factors are 2y and y. 5 and 1 are the factors of 5. Let's check if we will get 7y. We will get the outer terms, 2y and 1. The product of 2y and 1 is 2y. And then, we get the inner terms, 5 and y. Let's multiply. 5 times y is 5y. We will get the sum. It is 7y. Therefore, dapat kapag kinuha natin yung sum ng product ng outer terms at product ng inner terms, dapat ang sum nila ay yung middle term. After that, we will equate to 0. The first factor is 2y plus 5. So, we will equate it to 0. Then, solve for the variable y. We will subtract 5 to both sides of the equation. And then, we simplify. We now have 2y equals negative 5. Meron tayong 2 dito. So, we will divide both sides by 2. 2y over 2 equals negative 5 over 2. Simplify, 2y divided by 2 is equal to y. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, 1 times y, we have y equals negative 5 over 2. This is the first solution or root. For the second solution or root, we will equate y plus 1 to 0. We now have y plus 1 equals 0. And then, we solve for y. We will subtract 1 to both sides of the equation. And then, simplify, y equals negative 1. Negative 1 is the second solution or root. Let us check if the solutions or roots are correct. Let's do the checking. The first solution or root is negative 5 over 2. Substitute this to the original equation, 2y squared plus 7y plus 5 equals 0. We now have 2 times y. Our y is negative 5 over 2. And then square plus 7 times y, which is negative 5 over 2, copy plus 5 equals 0. Simplify, we have 2 times square of negative 5 over 2, square natin si negative 5, which is 25. Then the square of 2 is 4. Next, 7 times negative 5 over 2 is equal to 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. Copy the denominator, which is 2. Plus 5 equals 0. And then, we multiply 2 by 25 over 4. 2 times 25 is 50 over 4, which is 25 over 2. Or, we will simplify 2 over 4, which is 1/2, so we get 25 over 2. Minus 35 over 2 plus 5 equals 0. And then, 25 over 2 minus 35 over 2 is equal to negative 5. Paano nangyari yon? Since they are the same denominators, with the same denominators, we will subtract the numerator. 25 minus 35 is negative 10. divided by the same denominator, negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. Plus 5 equals 0. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. It is equal to 0. They are equal, therefore, that is true. And then, for the second solution or root, which is negative 1, substitute to the original equation. We now have 2 times y. Our y is negative 1, and then square, plus 7 times y is negative 1 plus 5 equals 0. Simplify, 2 times the square of negative 1 is positive 1. Dahil negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Copy plus 5 equals 0. Simplify, 2 times 1 is 2 minus 7 plus 5 equals 0. 2 minus 7 is negative 5 plus 5 equals 0. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0 equals 0. They are equal, therefore, that is true. Negative 5 over 2 and negative 1 satisfy the equation. Therefore, the two solutions or roots of the equation 2y squared plus 7y plus 5 equals 0 are negative 5 over 2 or negative 1. Let us have example 5. Solve 9x squared minus 4 equals 0 by factoring. The given equation is 9x squared minus 4 equals 0. This is now in standard form, so we will factor 9x squared minus 4. As you can see, 9x squared and 4 are perfect squares. Meron silang square root. And then, ang sign ng middle ay minus or negative. So, ang tawag sa kanya ay difference of two squares. Kapag ganito ang given na expression, madali lang kunin ang kanyang factors. Paano? Kunin mo lang ang factor ni first term. 9x squared, ang kanyang factors or square root ay 3x. So, we have 3x. And then, square root ng 4 ay 2. So, we have 2 and 2. Ang magiging sign ng una ay positive, and then yung pangalawa ay negative or vice versa. Pwedeng negative dito or positive dito. So, the factors of 9x squared minus 4 are 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2. Ang tawag dito ay sum and difference of two terms. After makuha ang factors, we will equate to 0. So, 3x plus 2 equals 0. And then, we will solve for variable x. We will subtract 2 to both sides of the equation. Para ang maiwan ay yung may variable na x sa left side ng equation. We now have 3x equals 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Meron tayong 3 dito. We will divide both sides by 3. We now have 3x over 3 equals negative 2 over 3. Simplify. 3x divided by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1 times x equals x. Then, equal to negative 2 over 3. This is the first solution. The next factor is 3x minus 2. We will equate it to 0. And then, solve for x. We will add 2 to both sides of the equation para ang maiwan ay si 3x. Simplify. We now have 3x equals 0 plus 2 is 2. We have here 3. We will divide both sides by 3. So, we have 3x divided by 3 equals 2 over 3. simplify, 3x divided by 3 is equal to x. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times x, which is x, equals 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is the second solution or root of the equation. Let us check if the solutions are correct. Let's do the checking. The first solution is negative 2 over 3. We will substitute to the original equation, 9x squared minus 4 equals 0. We will now have 9 times x is negative 2 over 3 squared minus 4 equals 0. And then, we now have 9 times square of negative 2 over 3. Square muna natin si negative 2, which is 4. Square ng 3 ay 9. Minus 4 equals 0. Multiply 9 by 4 over 9, we will get 4. Or simply, 9 over 9 is equal to 1. So, times 4 equal to 4. Minus 4 equals 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Equals 0. They are equal, so that is true. The next solution or root is positive 2 over 3. Substitute to the original equation, 9x squared minus 4 equals 0. We will now have 9 times x, which is 2 thirds squared minus 4 equals 0. 9 times square of 2 thirds is 4 over 9. Square ng 2 is 4. Square ng 3 is 9. Minus 4 equals 0. 9 times 4 over 9. 9 over 9 is 1. Times 4 is 4. Minus 4 equals 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. It is equal to 0. They are equal, so that is true. Negative 2 thirds and 2 thirds satisfy the equation. Therefore, the two solutions or roots of the equation 9x squared minus 4 equals 0 are negative 2 over 3 or 2 over 3. And now that you learned how to solve quadratic equations by factoring, I want you to take this challenge. Solve each of the following quadratic equations by factoring. Number 1, 5y squared plus 15y equals 0. Number 2, x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Number 3, b squared plus 5b equals negative 6. Number 4, 2y squared minus y plus 6 equals 0. And number 5, 4z squared minus 25 equals 0. Okay, good luck in taking the challenge. Before I end this video, I would like to share a simple quotation. Whatever your hand finds to do, do it with your might. That's all. Thank you so much. Keep safe and have a great day.